Fifth class EVS Chapter 1 Migration of People Worksheet. Worksheet number 1. Roman number 1. Write the following words. ఇచ్చిన పదాలను చూసి రాయాలి. Roman number 2. Mind map. Reasons for migration. Floods, unemployment, poverty, earthquake, cyclone, job transfers, etc. Third Roman. Answer the following questions in 1 or 2 lines. 1. What is migration? The seasonal movement of people from one place to another place in search of better livelihood is called migration. Second one. What are the natural reasons for migration? Floods, cyclones, earthquakes are the natural reasons for migration. Third one. What are the economic reasons for migration? Job transfers, poverty, unemployment are the economical reasons for migration. Are there any newcomers to your class who migrate from another place? మీ తరగతి గదిలో ఎవరైనా కొత్తగా వలస వచ్చిన వారు ఉంటే వారి గురించి రాయాలి. వర్క్షీట్ నంబర్ 2. రోమన్ నెంబర్ 1. రీరైట్ ద ఫాలోయింగ్ వర్డ్స్. ఇచ్చిన వర్డ్స్ని చూసి రాయాలి. రోమన్ నెంబర్ 2. ఫిల్ ఇన్ ద బ్లాంక్స్. Tobacco pluckers are seasonal migration people. Susila went abroad for a job. This is economical type of migration. Migration is one of the reasons for changes in the structure of the families. Third Roman. Write the reasons for slums formation. Poverty, informal economy, attract to urban culture, poor planning. Fourth Roman. Answer the following questions. Ramya says that migration improves the economic status. Do you agree? Why? Yes, I agree because people usually migrate for a better livelihood. Second one. Where do you want to go for your higher studies? I want to go to Chennai for my higher studies. Worksheet number 3. First Roman. Rewrite the following words. ఇచ్చిన పదాలను చూసి రాయాలి. Second Roman. Answer the following questions. First one. Who makes the list of monthly expenditure in our family? Both my father and mother makes the list of monthly expenditure in my family. Second one. Do you save your pocket money? Yes, I will save my pocket money. Third one. What will you do with the money you save? I will buy new clothes with the money I have saved. థర్డ్ రోమన్. కింద ఇచ్చిన పిక్చర్స్లో మనకి అవసరానికి వాడే వాటికి ఎన్ అని, సౌకర్యం కోసం వాడే వాటికి సి, కంఫర్ట్ సి అని, విలాసం కొరకు వాడే వాటికి లగ్జరీస్ ఎల్ అని ఆ బాక్స్లో పెట్టాలి. చాప్టర్ 4. రోమన్ నెంబర్ 1. రీరైట్ ద ఫాలోయింగ్ వర్డ్స్. ఇచ్చిన వర్డ్స్ని చూసి రాయాలి. Second Roman. Your father gave your 100 rupees. What useful things can you buy within the given budget? Estimate and write. మీ నాన్న మీకు 100 రూపీస్ ఇస్తే వాటితో మీకు ఉపయోగపడే వస్తువులను ఏవేవి కొంటారో అంచనా వేసి రాయాలి. ఆన్సర్ ద ఫాలోయింగ్ క్వశ్చన్స్. ఇఫ్ సమ్ అమౌంట్ రిమైన్స్ విత్ యూ, వాట్ విల్ యూ డూ? ఐ విల్ సేవ్ దట్ అమౌంట్. డిడ్ యూ నోటీస్ ఎనీ unnecessary expenses in your family budget? If so, list them out. Yes, I noticed buying new jewelry and toys as unnecessary expenses. Rafi bought 4 articles with 100 rupees. Observe the pie chart, color it. రఫీ తన దగ్గర ఉన్న 100 రూపాయలతో 4 వస్తువులను కొన్నాడు. వేటికి ఎంత బడ్జెట్ ఖర్చు చేశారో కింద ఇచ్చారు. కింద ఇచ్చిన కీ పాయింట్స్ ఆధారంగా పై చార్ట్కి కలర్స్ వేయాలి. వర్క్షీట్ నంబర్ 5. ఫస్ట్ రోమన్. రీరైట్ ద ఫాలోయింగ్ వర్డ్స్. ఇచ్చిన వర్డ్స్ని చూసి రాయాలి. సెకండ్ రోమన్. డ్రా ద పిక్చర్ ఆఫ్ యువర్ స్కూల్ అండ్ కలర్ ఇట్. మీ స్కూల్ యొక్క బొమ్మను గీసి రంగులు వేయండి. థర్డ్ రోమన్. రైట్ ద థింగ్స్ ప్రొవైడెడ్ బై ద గవర్నమెంట్ ఫర్ యూ ఇన్ యువర్ స్కూల్. యూనిఫామ్, టెక్స్ట్ బుక్స్, మిడ్ డే మీల్, బ్యాగ్, షూస్, ఎక్సెట్రా. Fourth Roman, prepare menu chart of the food served for a week during midday meal in your school. మీ పాఠశాలలో మధ్యాహ్నం భోజనం కింద ఏ రోజు ఏం పెడుతున్నారో కింద పట్టికలో రాయాలి. వర్క్షీట్ నంబర్ 6, అసెస్మెంట్. First one, what is migration? Give some examples. The seasonal movement of people from one place to another place in search of better livelihood is called migration. Example, some people migrate to Hyderabad in search of job or economic activities or natural climates migration to other place. Second one, what are the advantages and disadvantages of migration? Advantages, better livelihood, better education, better facilities, etc. Disadvantages, more cost of living, break off with relatives and friends, difficulty in adjusting in the new place. Third one, Raju says that sometimes migration happiness in our lives. As Raju said the truth, migration can happen in any families because of economical or natural calamities. Fourth one, if you meet a migrated family in our village, what type of questions would you ask them to find out the reasons for migration? I meet a migrated family in my village. I would ask the questions, where did you come from? Why did your family leave that? Whether our facilities are comfortable to you in this village or place, etc. Fifth one, observe migrated families in your village or town because of COVID-19 and record their experience. A family had migrated to our town few years back in search of better livelihood. Due to COVID-19, they lost their job and went back to their native village. Sixth one, find out the reasons for the dropouts in your surrounding. మీ పరిసరాల్లో స్కూల్ మానేసిన విద్యార్థులు ఎవరైనా ఉంటే వాళ్ళ పేర్లు రాసి గల కారణాలను రాయాలి. సెవెంత్ వన్, డ్రా ఏ మైండ్ మ్యాప్ షోయింగ్ ద రీజన్స్ ఫర్ మైగ్రేషన్. మైగ్రేషన్ గల కారణాలను మైండ్ మ్యాప్ రాయాలి. Eighth one, Suresh is going to work with his father. He stopped going to school. How do you motivate him to rejoin school? Because of poverty, Suresh is also going to work along with his father. So I request his parents to send him back to school by explaining the importance of education. I also educate them about different benefits which were offered by government for poor people in the government schools. Assessment number 1, choose the correct answers. Calamities like flood, cyclone, earthquake, etc. are natural reasons for migration. There is a rapid migration from rural to urban areas. Poverty, informal economy, poor planning leads to the formation of slum areas in urban regions. Second Roman, fill in the blanks. Money is required to fulfill the basic needs of a family. Migration is a seasonal movement of people from one place to another place in search of better livelihood. Education loan facility helps the students for their higher studies. Third Roman, match the following. Natural calamity, floods, transfer, going to another place, nomads, don't live in permanent place. Fourth Roman, draw the picture of a piggy bank and color it. Piggy bank బొమ్మ గీసి కలర్ వేయాలి. Fifth Roman, answer the following questions. First one, what will you do with the money you save? I will buy notebooks, pens and chocolates. I will donate some amount to the poor people. I will celebrate my birthday with my savings. Second one, how does migration affect a family? Due to migration, some children turned as a child laborers. Some families may lead peaceful life due to migration.